In this video, we will show you how to find a specific talk on the ECCMID 2022 online platform. To access the ECCMID 2022 online platform, go to online.ecccmid.org or click on the platform button on our Congress website. Please enter your ESCCMID credentials on the authentication page to access the ECCMID 2022 online platform. Make sure to use the credentials that are linked to your Congress registration. You will be redirected to the ECCMID 2022 online platform homepage. There are three ways to access a specific talk on demand. You can either use the replay button on the homepage, browse the online program, or search through a speaker to find the talk. The first way is to use the replay function. Please click on the replay button on the home page of the platform or use the media menu on the top navigation bar and select replay. Once you arrive on the replay welcome page, you can select a theme to be able to search through all session and talk replays related to this theme. You will then see the list of all replays matching this theme. From there, you can use the advanced search button to filter the list with additional search criteria. You can search by keywords, speaker name, channels, themes, categories, or types. From this search engine, you can access all the on-demand contents available on the platform. Once you found the talk you're looking for, you have to click on it to access the talk page. Press the play button to start viewing the talk. You can find session details on the right of the video. If you click on a speaker's name, you can access additional speaker information. The second way to search for talks is using the online program. Click on the program button on the home page or use the program menu in the top navigation bar. Once you are in the program page, please select the day you want to browse. From there, you can directly access the replay of a session by clicking on the Watch Replay button on the session card. If you want to search for content using the program, click on the Advanced Search button at the right of the screen. In this section, you will be able to search for content using the online program. For example, select a session type and a category and click Search. The results corresponding to your search will be displayed. Click on the session card. If a replay is available for this talk, a Watch Replay button will be displayed. Click on this button to access the replay of the session. Press the play button to start viewing the talk. The third way is to look for a faculty member and find the talk. Click on the faculty button on the sidebar. At the top of the panel, please type in the name of the speaker and press enter. Click on the speaker's name to access the speaker information. To display the talk list, click on the button Talks List. If a replay is available for this talk, a replay button will be displayed. Click on this button to access the replay of this session. Press the play button to start viewing the talk. If you have questions, please write to ecccmid@key4events.com. Thank you and have a great experience on the ECCMID 2022 online platform.